Solis Minerals announced it received its permits and it will begin drilling at its Cinto Copper Project in southern Peru. Mitch Thomas is CEO. Mitch, welcome to mining.com.au.
Yep, thanks very much, Michael. A pleasure to be here.
Mitch, you're going to commence drilling at Cinto.
Exactly. So, look, there's been a big build-up. Once you kind of go through the, I guess, pegging of the concession, you do your geochemical work, so surface sampling and also channel samples, and then we completed the IP in June of this year. But the build-up is that we have some fantastic targets, and we're really looking forward to getting on the ground before the end of this month and start drilling.
Mitch, other projects that you have under Solis right now?
Yeah, so look, Cinto will be the focus for the next few months, and we'll complete, between a 2,500 meter program. We'll upsize that depending on results that we get, but from further from that, we'll move into Cucho in Q2 of 2026. So very rapidly advancing with, I guess, a dual track process of permitting, but also doing some additional geophysical work. So some drone mag just to really, I guess, solidify the targets that we have. But I guess outside of that, look, we've completed drilling of Tranche and Hilo Este year to date across our broader portfolio. We're still penning assays, so we're very keen to get those out in the next week. And yeah, so I think that the general point is very active and lots of exciting news flow for shareholders.
Mitch, are you funded?
Very important question. So look, very grateful to existing and new shareholders. We just completed this week actually the second tranche of a $5.9 million placement. So the projects that I've spoken to with regard to Cinto and Cucho and also finalising the work at Hilo Este and paying for the assays, we're funded for that work. So, for us, we think that raise is very strategic because it gives our shareholders many, many opportunities to deliver on our objective, which is to find a large copper gold porphyry in South America.
Lastly, Mitch, milestones over the next 6 months.
Yeah, so look, if we break it down, as I mentioned, we'll have final assays out for Hilo Este and Chancho del Palo in the next week. We'll commence drilling at Cinto before the end of this month, and you can expect, visuals probably in Jan and Feb, and probably assays as we get to the back end of Feb, early March. And then we'll finalise permitting at Cucho and commence drilling there in Q2 of 2026. So lots of activity, which is how we like it. And it's going to be a very fun 2026.
Mitch, thanks for speaking with mining.com.au.
Nope, thank you, Michael. Speak soon.